'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Today we are cooking tomato stew, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. It is very delicious, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious tomato stew. Keep watching. You don't want to miss this at all. My tomatoes have already been pre-boiled for about 30 minutes. Okay, and these are the meats that I'm going to be using for this recipe. You can use any other meat of your choice. Okay, then I also have cow feet and fried fish. Okay, I've already cooked the cow feet. The cow feet is well cooked, it's well done. Then I already fried my fish also. I did that off camera. Now these are the seasoning I will be using. I have no seasoning. I have thyme, curry powder, salt, and beef seasoning that I will be using also. Then I also have bay leaves, then tomato paste. Then in that other plate, I have blended ginger, onions, and 2 habanero pepper that I will be using to steam the meat. Then also I have 1 onions to fry the tomatoes. This is my meat that I will be using. Then I'm going to be adding my bay leaves. Then I'm adding my salt, curry, thyme, beef seasoning. Then I'll also add in my blended habanero pepper with onions and ginger. I'm going to use it to steam the meat. Stir it up a little bit, then I'll cover it and I'll allow this to cook for about 15 minutes.
Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life.
Okay guys, this is 15 minutes later. I'm going to be adding more water so that the meat can cook properly because it's not yet ready. Okay, I'll just give it a quick stir, then I'll add in more water so that the meat will cook properly. After adding the water, I will cover the pot and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Okay,
my brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. Emini can change a man. Emini can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Okay guys, this is 10 minutes later. Our meat is ready. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it out from the pot. Then I will fry it with my vegetable oil. Okay, I'm just going to take it out. Then the next thing is for me to fry my meat.
They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I no get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows.
Yeah, I'm frying my meat. Okay, as you can see, the meat is ready. I don't want it to be too dry. Okay, I'm just going to take it out. I'm just going to scoop everything out from the oil. Then what I will do next, I will use the same oil. Okay, I'm not going to get rid of that oil because that oil is full of delicious flavor. Okay, don't use another oil, use the same oil. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Okay, now I'm just going to add my onions to the oil. Okay, then I'll add a little bit of thyme. Then I will just give it a little stir. Then I will add in my tomatoes paste. Okay, this is my tomato paste. Okay, you can skip this process. If you don't have tomato paste, you can just skip it and fry your tomatoes without the tomato paste. Okay, now I'm just going to fry my tomatoes paste for about 5 minutes. Okay,
I wish people know who go make up for life. Now those people never just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Now those people never just they call their friends.
After frying it for about 5 minutes, fry the tomato paste for about 5 minutes. Then now I'm just going to add in my tomatoes, blended tomatoes with I have tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, ginger that I blended together. Then I went ahead and boiled it till all the water was dried before I'm using it right now. Now I'm just going to stir it together. After stirring it, then I will cover it up and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes.
Every day back then when I stayed there for Usolu, if I just walk on my own, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I know.
Okay guys, after 10 minutes, okay, the next step is for me to add in my spice. Okay, my seasoning. I'll just stir it a little bit, then later after stirring it, I'll add in my seasoning. I'll add in my curry, thyme, beef seasoning, nor and salt. I'll add everything to it. Then I'll also add in my meat stock. Okay, remember the water that was left after I boiled the meat. I'm just going to add it to it too. Then I'll stir it together. Then I'll cover it and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes.
Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I bust in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends.
Okay guys, this is 10 minutes later. Now it's time to add in all my meat to the stew. Okay, our stew is almost ready. We are almost getting at the finish point. Okay, if you watch to this time, you are amazing, you are wonderful, you are the best. Thank you so much for sticking around with me, for staying to this time. I appreciate every one of you that watched this video to this time. And thank you so much. And also, if you are watching this from my Facebook page, please don't forget to follow my page. I beg, please like and follow my page also. Okay, thank you so much guys. Now I've added all my meat. Then I will just stir it up together. I will mix it well. Then I will cover it and allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. Then our stew is going to be ready. I guess some people are already hungry. Okay, just be patient. Okay, just be patient with me. The soup is going to be ready. No, the stew is going to be ready in 15 minutes time. Okay, the rice is getting cooked. Okay, I've already cooked my rice. Oh my goodness. Oh, this woman. Okay, guys, this is 15 minutes later. Hey, or more. Look at 15 minutes later, our stew is ready, guys. Our stew is ready. It's ready to be eaten with rice. You can eat this with rice, yam, plantain, potato. Okay, you can even eat this with okra. Okay, if you have okra, you can just add your okra to the stew and voila, soup is gonna be ready. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I appreciate every one of you. Please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Your thumbs up means a lot to me, okay? Your thumbs up means a lot to me. Please don't forget to thumbs up, okay? Give your thumbs up. Just click that like button. Click that like button, guys. Thank you so much, guys. This stew is ready. The stew is ready. I can't wait to eat, okay? I can't wait to eat. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to share. Look at it, guys. The color is so it's so, I don't even know how to say it, okay? Thank you so much, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Compliment of the season to every one of you. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye everyone. Bye. I love you all. Ciao ciao. Arrivederci.